So, hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, my fellow creative designers and content creators. Welcome once again to another exciting episode on this channel. And in today's episode, this is what we are going to design. We're going to design this fit over fear church flyer using our Photoshop 2025 version. So, if this will work for all versions of Photoshop, so if this seems to be interesting to you, kindly subscribe, like, and stick around, and let's go through the step-by-step tutorials from beginning to the end. And this is the 3D text I created, and this is the whole flyer. So without wasting much time, and don't worry, I have all the resources file here. Okay, sorry, I have them here. And let me go and show it to you. Yes, these are the resources file that I used to create everything. And I'm going to share it with you so that you can download and then practice along. Okay, you can download and practice along. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's begin. So Control N on a keyboard to open a new document. All right, Control N on a keyboard to open a new document. All right, so the new document panel pop up, and that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to use a customized size. Okay, the width is 900, and then the height is 1080, resolution 300, RGB color mode 8-bit, and then give it a title. So fade over fear. All right, so everything is okay. Then I'll click on create. Boom. Then you have this white background with me. Okay, so in the next option, we are going to work with the background. Okay, we're going to work with the background. So I'll import this and then drag it into Photoshop and then release it nicely like this. Bam, and then I'll release it and then wait for it to load. Now it's downloading, so hold shift and then hold the edge here and then scale it up to cover the screen. Okay, then go to view, go to photo, go to blur, Gaussian blur, and then blur it for some 20 pixels. And this is okay. So I'll release it this way. Then the next thing is go to the same resource file again. Then I'll go and drag this background again and then place it on it. And then go hold the shift and drag here to cover, and then press enter on the keyboard. Now go to the blending option and set it to soft light. Boom, something like this is awesome. All right, all right, all right. Then again, the background again, drag this and then release it in Photoshop and then perfect. Push it up a bit this way and then press enter. Go to the same blending option and save it to, I think, soft light is okay. Add a layer mask to this side, the layer panel, add a layer mask. Click inside the layer mask you have created. Go to the B, enter B on the keyboard to activate the brush tool. Now right click on the brush tool and then go to general and then select soft round brush. Sorry. So once it's setted, change the foreground color to color black. Okay, and then whilst B is activated, clear the edge here, and then go and clear some part here. And I think this is awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome, right? So we'll check it this way. Now go and add um, color lookup to it. Yes, we are going to add a color lookup to it and then wait patiently. All right. Na, 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 na. Okay, so we added a color lookup. Let's, where is it? Yes, go and add going for a walk and then click on OK and then it's placed on it nicely like that. Perfect, perfect, perfect. This is exactly what we are doing, or this is exactly what we want. Okay, this is exactly what we want. So once you are done, put everything in a group, Control J, and then call it the background. Okay, all right, so background is set nicely. Then the next thing is that you are going to work with the church logo, all right, church logo, and it's already here, so I don't have to waste time. Okay, so this is the church logo, and if you are wondering where is it, this is it. Yes, this is it. You drag it and then place it in the Photoshop area. So drag it and place it here. Okay. Okay, so once it's there, you go and select everything, and then you drag it this way, and then come and paste it over here. Okay, yes, just come and paste it over here, and then the text details. Yes, so the text details, believers control C to copy it, and then C on the keyboard and hit here, and then control V to paste it. Okay, yes, control V to paste it. Okay, press enter and then V again on the keyboard and then position it this side. Now let's reduce the size of the text to something like 8 is perfect. Yes, 8 is perfect. Push it to this side and then go and then copy the worship center. Control C to copy it and then come and then duplicate this one. Double click it and then control V to paste it again and reduce the size. Okay, reduce the size to something like 5. It's okay. And then let's close the leading up. Let's close the leading up. Okay, let's close the leading up. And the church logo is name and the logo is set. Okay, all right. So put them also in a group. Okay, Control J to put it in a group and then call it the church logo or logo. Perfect, 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 perfect. Then once you're done with that one, let's go and bring the main 3D text. Okay, so drag it in this and then drop it over there. Then I can hold the edge here and tilt it this way. Perfect. And then I'll position it. Hold Alt and then reduce the size a bit. Reduce the size. Okay. All right. All right. All right. Then we are moving. Copy the C. Control C to copy it. C on the keyboard. Hit here and then Control V to paste the C. Okay. Yes. Then let's go and change the font. Which font do we use? Which font do we use? I think we use this. No, 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 no. We are likely to use this font. Let's see this one. Now, I think autograph is awesome. That is the font, that is font we use. Okay, so then we are going to write, copy another text again, which is the over Control C to copy it and then hit C on the keyboard. Or you can duplicate this text, Control J to duplicate this one and then push it up, hold here and push it up. Double click inside the text and then Control V to paste it. Okay, all right. Then let's reduce the size a bit to something like 20. Is awesome. Then we can change the color to color white, and I think it's awesome. Okay, it's awesome. It's awesome. It's awesome. It's awesome. Then the next thing is that you are going to add some shape. So you on the keyboard to activate the shape to right click it and then go and pick a rectangle. Now draw a rectangle underneath this one. Okay, and then let's change the color. Let's change the color to this. I think it's awesome now. You can change it at any time. Then drag it under the 3D text. Okay, drag it under the 3D text. So let's go and push it under the 3D text. And then hit T on the keyboard again. And then add your theme. Okay, just add your theme to it. Then on the keyboard and then move it. Okay, move it. Then on the keyboard and then hold it and move it this way. Sorry. Control Z to undo what we just did. So Control T to select it and then position it over here. Now let's reduce the size. Okay, reduce the size to something like 10. Just it should be small so that it can fit in. So reduce the size, uh, reduce the size, and I think 5 will be okay. Then you can change the color. Yes, change the color and then move it up so that the fall on good. Perfect. Let's duplicate the shape. Control J to duplicate it. Hold Control T and then hold Shift and drag it to this point. Okay, and then hold here to no. It didn't. So Control Z to undo it. Control Z again to undo. Then Control J to duplicate it. Yes, Control T to select it. Hold Shift again and then push it this way or drag it to extend the shape. Okay, let's extend the shape. Press Enter and let's change the color. Let's change the color to this. And I think all this will be awesome, awesome, awesome. Then let's go and copy the theme. Okay, good. Control C to copy it. C on the keyboard, hit here, and then Control V to paste it. Okay, let's change the color to this. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Then let's change the font as well to Poppins. It's not bad at all. Then let's change this to Sunny Bold. Okay, press and change all to caps and then be on the keyboard and position it on it. And I think the color is not okay. So let's make it something like black. Good. This is awesome. This awesome. This awesome. This awesome. All right. So once we are done with this one, we put everything in a group. So this logo is done. We put everything in a group and then Control J to put it in a group and call it main details. Hmm. Yes, the main details, we are done with it. Then the images, okay? I don't want to waste time, so let's go and bring this image. I've already worked on it, okay? I've already worked on the images, okay? And their names, so I'll just copy everything. I'll drag everything, okay? And then push it up this way, push it up this way, and then come and put it here. Yeah, put it here. So whilst you wait for it to load, please subscribe to this channel, like and share, subscribe, like and share. I added to pass and that is why it's very need to press OK to either cancel it or just leave it like that. So I'll just press it like that and okay, so I'll just position it this way. I'll position it this way. Yes, position it this way, and we are good to go. We are good to go. We are good to go. So if you look at the images and everything is there. So names and images. Sorry. Yes. So names and images is set. Now I think this main text must go up. Control T to select it and then push it up a bit this way. All right, so push it up a bit this way. Then the images and the names must go up too. So control minus and then I'll push it up. Yes, in so doing, it push it up quickly for you without delaying or slowing down your machine. So control plus to zoom it in. And then the rest of the details such as the date, time, and the venue should also follow. So let me go and pick them. And if you want to type them too, they are here. I've typed everything. So the date, Sunday, 14th September 2025, the location, and then for info, contact, and other things are here. So let me just go and pick everything straightforward. So let's select everything. Okay, we select everything, and yes, we select everything together. Select everything together. Then we move it upwards. We move it up to this side, and then we release it. And guys, you realize how awesome it is. Realize how awesome it is. So please, this is how we're able to achieve this flyout. Control J to put it in a group and call it details. Okay. Yes. Yes, this is how we're able to achieve this. And don't worry, the free PSB for this flyer is also in the link below for you to join the platform, download it, and then edit them and use it for free. Please subscribe to this channel, like and share. I love you. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.